Wow, this is Matera. This city is full of secrets, and I'm not sure I'm going to get to the bottom of all of them in one visit. But there is one secret weapon this city has, and that is its famous Matera bread. So, I'm off to explore one of Matera's artisan bakeries. Come stai, bello?
Ciao, bene.
Tutto bene? Ah, so this is the famous Matera bread. I have to know all the secrets of this bread.
First of all, Gino, we use durum wheat, the same that we use to make pasta, just a little refined.
Thinner.
Yes.
Like sand.
The second is the water. The water.
Water. Then what
The
we
salt
got?
and the
So then we
natural
go
yeast.
salt and natural yeast.
Because we produce our natural yeast by the fruit.
With fruit.
Yes.
Are you sure you want to tell them all the secrets of this bread?
This is
Are you
the-
sure? So you can put any fruit?
Any fruit.
This is the first time in my life that someone tells me that as a yeast I can use water and fruit. So we got the dough, you need the
Yes,
dough,
yes.
and how long does it take into rise?
About 2 hours.
And then it's ready to go. Let's talk about the shape, because see, there is a unique shape that you guys make, which I'm really
Right.
interested.
First
Okay.
of all, in this way, a triangular part so. Yes, and this down.
And this down.
Perfect. Now, a little ribbon in the middle, 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
We need to turn it 2 times. The first little,
First little.
the second bigger.
On the top. Like that.
And always our
Always.
grandparents bless the bread.
In the name of the Father,
Son,
yeah, the Son,
and the Holy Ghost.
and the Holy Ghost.
And they, in the past, used to stamp the bread with the logo.
Until the 1950s, housewives in Matera used to use communal ovens for baking. And they stamped their loaves so they knew which one was theirs.
I have prepared a surprise for you,
What is it?
Gino.
Ah, it's Gino D'Acampo. See, I can go back home now and I can stamp my
Stamp everything,
children.
everything.
I stamp my children, my wife, everything I put on, I'm gonna stamp everywhere.
The animal.
No, once again, where do I stamp
Well,
it?
here.
This is so cool. How much do I need to press?
Perfect.
Gino D'Acampo.
Now we can put the bread in the oven.
Like this?
To cook it. Yes.
We come back in 2 hours. 260 degrees Celsius gets you that famous Matera crust. 2 hours later, Massimo's secret recipe is ready to sample.
This is your bread.
I'll open it like Jesus used to do in the middle of the table. Matera bread. Mamma mia.
Man.
The smell is so unique. You don't have the same experience with other breads. Can you get the sound? How long does this bread last?
For about 1 week.
Learn how to make the Matera bread, and then it can last over a week. The ingredients are non-expensive whatsoever. And everybody's happy.
Yeah.
Because this is the secret of Matera. There aren't any other secret. The secret is here. The bread, il pane.
Our bread.
Grazie. Grazie, amico mio. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 loaves of bread because I'm gonna be here for a couple of weeks. Ciao, arrivederci, grazie.
Ciao.